Good morning, lovelies, namaskaram, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you Sivigiri because it's a lovely traditional place here in India. But today I am ridiculously tired. I have just done so much yoga, so before I go anywhere I'm going to have a chaya and some laddu, which is an Indian sweet. So I'm comfort eating again, like I was on the previous vlog. Wow. So I'm hoping the bus will come. Actually, I'm in the bus station cafe, and if not, then it'll probably have to be a tuk-tuk. I say that because obviously the bus is only 10 rupees. Hi, my friend, come in, my vlog. This is my friend. Isn't he very good looking? So the bus, it's only 10 rupees. Tuk-tuk could probably charge me up to 100 rupees. 10 rupees is about 10p, 100 rupees is about £1. But when you're living out here with no job and everything's very cheap, you really get spoiled and want the cheaper options all the time. So the bus didn't turn up, so I am in the tuk-tuk and I'm getting it for 60 rupees, which is about 60-65 pence. And we're going about a mile, and that's about, I don't know, 80 cents in dollars, which is 60 rupees. Wow, nice tea making, love it. Wow, cup of tea is for me. Thank you, thank you. Sivigiri. It's such a quaint local little place, and it's got lots of temples with lots of people singing all their chants through microphones. But I don't want to film inside because, you know, it can look quite disrespectful. But they have got lots and lots of little temples amongst the amazing local life. Wow. Sivigiri? Yeah, good. Good. So this is the train station, Varkala, Sivigiri. So Sivigiri is the place where the train station is, and this is where I am now because on Sunday I'm going to go to Kanyakumari with my friend Sija, and yes, we're taking the train. So whilst I'm in Sivigiri, I will get my tickets. No, I wouldn't say I was a first class lady, so I won't be going to that area. So, trying to get a train ticket in India is an absolute flaming nightmare. I was in the queue, several people pushed in front of me with their forms and making payments when all I needed was a form to fill in to get the train, and the print is so small, so I'll have to take a photograph of it and then fill it in, and they haven't even given me a pen. So I'll have to go back to the counter and get a pen and join the queue again. If you want to get a train in India, then I think you just have to be like really patient with the process. I think, yeah, it could be worth it for the experience. I don't know, I've never got a train in India. But, yeah, you need to be very patient, okay? Okay, so they want to know everything, like they even want to know what size knickers I'm wearing, no joke. Yeah, it reminds me of when I did the visa requirements. They want to know everything about you, you know, your age, all of that, and then information about what sort of class you want to travel in on the train. Yeah, it's just patience, and of course the print is very small, so it's not going to be very friendly for the elderly or those that are dyslexic. You don't have anything like that in India, and you don't have the queuing system either. And when you start to get trains and things, you are going to be in that situation, but it's an experience. It is an experience. Finally, I got my ticket. I actually didn't think this would be achievable on any level, but I was so determined, and I got my tickets. I'm so happy. I'm going travelling. Well, not until Sunday, but my goodness me, it's exciting for me. So Kanyakumari is a pilgrimage. That's the place I'm going to on the train on Sunday. And it's 250 miles away from here, approx. Anybody that's Indian that's watching the vlog, please give me the correct distance. I don't want to give wrong information on the vlog. The cost is 170 rupees to sit in second class and get seated, so that's without the standing. And yeah, 170 rupees, that's about £2, which is about $2.50. So yeah, very cheap. So maybe the process was worth it. Let me think. Banana fries. We put the banana in the batter, and then in the fryer. Coconut oil. Oh, it's in coconut oil. Wow. Banana fry. Wow, look at that vessel.